Hi kids, I'm Chief Haida with Esquimalt Fire Rescue, and we're here today to help you learn the sounds of fire safety. Why? Because we want you to be safe. Isn't that right, Sparky? Alright, let's get started.
Hi, I'm Firefighter David. I'm here today to teach you about smoke alarms. And I've invited my friend, special guest, Sparky. Come on over. Have you seen a smoke alarm before? Put up your hand if you've seen a smoke alarm before. Alright, for those who haven't seen a smoke alarm before, this is what it looks like. Sparky, did you know a smoke alarm smells smoke and lets you know with loud noises when there's fire? Kids, do you know what a smoke alarm sounds like? Sparky, would you like to hear what a smoke alarm sounds like? It's pretty loud, so you might want to cover your ears. Kids, the sound of a smoke alarm can be scary, but it is a sound of safety. When you hear the smoke alarm, get out and stay out.
Thanks so much for watching our fire safety video. We hope you had fun. And most importantly, we hope you learned about the sounds of fire safety. Excellent. Yes, Sparky, that's a great idea. Kids, now it's time to test what you've learned.